heading out to Fagradallsfjall volcano today. No lava. I booked this trip when there was lava. There's no lava erupting. I mean, there's lava, but it's going to be cold. But I wanted to see what it's like to hike up it. I wanted to see the location so I could have, say I've been there, saw it, felt it, touched it. I'm going to see if we can get some drone footage. I'm going to see if we freeze to death. I'm going to talk a bit about the hike today. I'm going to talk a bit about where do you catch these buses that are taking you out to it, because that's, unless you're renting a car, that's the way you get there. And at some point, this volcano is probably going to erupt again. So maybe this is information you could use. So come with me. Okay, so this is a bus stop. Number 9, that's the one I'm supposed to be catching. I actually don't see the number, but on my map, this is where number 9 is. There's tons of buses and vans that stop right here, so obviously that is one of the places. So, number 9. I've seen probably 15-20 buses go by this morning alone, just taking people on tours around Iceland. So, number 9, that's where we're going. I have asthma, so I'll sound like I'm dying, but don't worry, I'll survive. What's that?
I want to take my time here, but it's not possible for them to
climb the hill.
No.
So this is the part I've been dreading, but I'm also excited about it. So in Tucson, we have this hill called Tumamoc, which it's about a mile, which is what 1.3 kilometers or 1.3 kilometers. Huh?
1.6.
1.6. See, that was the other guess I was going to take.
Well, it depends which mile, nautical or land mile.
It would definitely be land, because in Arizona we don't have too many nautical miles. Not much water. Yeah. The not think about it part. Just push, push, push.
that thing. And you can still see steam coming up. Are you from West Virginia?
I am.
Oh, okay, where are you from?
Colorado.
Down on this way too much last summer.
You read a lot, yeah.
I watched a lot. It's part of the fun.
If you'd been here a few weeks earlier, you would have seen them out in the rock.
I know that. That's when I scheduled the trip. Oh,
Yeah,
for sure.
so it's actually called lava. It's rain is lava in Icelandic, and it's like you can see when you open the chocolate, it's similar to lava craters. So I think I have. So you can just come and grab. Great. Open this.
Lava.
Lava.
Lava chocolate.
That is true. I had to tell him. I said, I'm
Do the
too old to be a babysitter. But
Actually move it up there as well.
I could if I wanted to. Oh, it won't let me do it while I'm recording, I guess. But yeah, it's cool. I also have a drone in here. I'll be flying when I get up there. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, this is pretty good. It does look right like this lava, right? Just like up mountains in Arizona, they call them sky islands. Because you feel like you're in the middle of the sky when you're up on them. It's a hill to climb. This path is about 6 kilometers in, 6 back. I mean, the only part of it that's tough is these switchbacks. Where are you from?
Connecticut.
Ah, Arizona. Ah, this is amazing. it came up, and that, if it got that tall in a really short amount of time,
Yeah.
and then
Very cool, huh?
is gotta.
English spelling, but when I'm going home, it's Ivona. So
It's
it's
spelled Iwana, but it's Ivona.
Yes, yes.
I-W-O-N-N-A?
A.
O-N-A.
Yeah, Iwona.
That's it. Yeah, but people were throwing cans of food.
Down there you can see where there's been loads of rocks stuck at it, huh?
People were cooking hot dogs.
Doesn't melt.
Does it melt?
Now this is the part that's treacherous.
It was the most beautiful northern lights in this year. So they had such... Again.
I was hoping it'd go for 6 months again, but here we are, Meradalir Valley.
Well done, sir.
3-week-old lava down there. Just a little sad it's not younger.
Too hot to go.
I mean, you can still see steam off of the
Yes,
lava
I
from
know,
a year
right?
ago.
Because
So
it's like, so yeah, that's right. So now it's probably around this. I mean, it was 2,200 Fahrenheit, so, like the flow.
yeah,
So I don't know.
I'm just sad it's not going. Now you saw it, right? You
Yeah,
came up
yeah,
here,
yeah. It's like it was like sitting by a campfire.
even up here, right?
Yeah, even up here. I mean,
Yeah.
it was really hot.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah, we couldn't stay for long because it was. I mean, a little bit more hot in the first volcano because then it was we were kind of closer. It was in a higher altitude, but it's still you could feel it from here.
It's gonna happen again, you know, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Do you know it?
I if it came up one more time, and then I know it almost came up again, like in December.
Yes.
So I expect it.
Yeah,
I expect it.
We expect it. Yeah, I think it's gonna come again.
Well, they say that.
It's always erupting here.
Well, they say I mean, it took an 800-year break, right?
Yeah.
And they said that when it goes, they expect it to do a 200 to 300-year
Yes.
cycle.
In the peninsula, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and if it does this, well, that's a lot of good tourism dollars. But you could get, it could be too close to like Reykjavik, or
Yeah.
it could hit
That's right.
that one mountain outside of
Yeah.
Grindavik.
Yeah, and the street we have in the Söderstrandavägar, the way we were driving in the end, it could go over that one, and that's the only road we have.
Well, it almost did.
It almost did.
Yeah.
Yes, and
Yeah.
that was like the road, main road we use here in the peninsula. So, and it's on the way to there. So if it would erupt again and go further, it would be in danger. The main road we use here.
Thanks for telling me that. I just got all that on video. Are you okay with that?
Oh,